questions? Yeah. I'll take that as a statement. Pinball. I know Michael Hurley loves pinball. We got a lot in common. It's been really fun travelling around. I don't know if we're a good influence on each other or a bad one, but yesterday the only thing we really ate was crackers, and we shopped at pretty much our number one culinary decision yesterday was to go to IKEA and get lunch, and on the way out of Sydney, and so we just bought like the big wheel of Kaneki bread, the hard bread stuff, and a tube of fish paste, and we pretty much and that was it for the whole day. But then we had, I bought the pickled herring as well, so when we were sick of just fish paste, we added the herring to the fish paste. And we just like devoured those suckers. Like we were eating them like that someone was going to take them away from us. But you hit a point when you eat that salty fish where it's like the bread in Sizzler, it just sucks all the moisture out of your entire body and you just feel like you could never eat another one again. So
are you okay?
no. It made Michael go psycho. Like, I don't know, there's some preservative in the fish paste that made him go, like, he turned into a werewolf last night. I woke up at 3 o'clock in the morning and he's standing over the couch that I was sleeping on with a letter to deliver to me. That's the influence of the fish paste. It's true. The boy threw his guitar down and started beating his brow. No matter how hard he tried, he couldn't justify all the wasted time spent inventing words and rhyme, while the stars and the planets and the clock did lapse. You see, making up songs is for losers. She built something she uses, like a box or a bed of cupboards or shelves. The songs are made of air, they can't be any use to her. Better off trying to catch falling aeroplanes. 2, 3, 4. That girl said, boy, don't be so stupid. Boy, don't be so dark, you're not even right by heart. And although you say your songs are fundamentally air, there's also thousands of vibrations that stimulate the ear in such a way that whenever I hear them, they always make me smile, and therefore they're just as tactile as a box or a bed of cupboards or shelves. So boy, now stop your moping, your cursing and no hoping, and get back in the saddle. While she was still speaking, towards his feet he's reaching, where lay his guitar. His head was swimming in an alphabet, soup letters swirled and words formed in his heart. And he said, I'm gonna build a song for us with 4 verses and a chorus. On real estate your words inspired, and there will live rent-free, slip on beds of melody, and leave the key change with the seasons. And so that song he built was hers, with a chorus and 4 verses, and she woke to find him finally